everyone, thank you for stopping by my channel today. If this is your first time here, I want to say welcome and thank you for stopping by my channel. If you are returning, welcome back. I'm glad to have you. I can't wait to show you guys what I'm filming today. I am doing a product review and a tutorial wash day demo using Earthborn Organics. I have the Cocoa Butter Deep Conditioner, as well as the Castile Soap Shampoo, and also the Herbal ACV Rinse. I can't wait to show you guys what products I'm going to be using today. I will be using Earthborn Organics. I have the Cocoa Butter Deep Conditioner, as well as the Castile Soap Shampoo, and then last but not least, I have the Herbal ACV Rinse. I'm going to be doing a full product review and tutorial on all three of these products, so stay tuned, don't go anywhere. If you've seen my Instagram page, you know that I love Earthborn Organics, and the fact that there's 3 new products out is even better. There's more than 3 new products out, so I can't wait to show you guys this review. I'm super excited to try these out and give you guys a little sneak peek.
Alright, so I am applying the Castile Soap Shampoo to my hands now. First, I'm going to rub it in a little bit onto my scalp. I'm mostly going to focus on massaging my scalp and then later work towards my ends. I'm reapplying it now to more sections of my head and of course adding more to the ends, making sure that I'm covering my entire head from root to tip, and then you got to scrub that scalp. After scrubbing my scalp really well, you can see that the shampoo is mostly my scalp. I'm going to now just rinse it out with warm to cool water, making sure that everything has completely rinsed out. The shampoo can sometimes stick around a little bit longer, but making sure you rinse thoroughly gets rid of everything and all the product out of your hair. My next product is the Herbal ACV Rinse. You gotta shake it really well. You wanna mix up everything that is in the bottle. I apply this directly to my scalp, just focusing on the entire area before I add it to the ends of my hair like you see here. I always switch back from my scalp to my ends, making sure that I cover from root to tip. And then next I'm just gonna kind of massage it through my hair, making sure that it's covered. And then once I do that, I of course rinse it out with water, give it a little squeeze in the very end, and my hair feels nice and cleansed and rinsed. Okay, so after rinsing my hair out, I'm gonna now prepare it to deep condition. I'm going to part my hair into sections, but first I want to just resaturate my hair with water because my hair does dry pretty quickly after coming out of the shower, and I don't want to apply my deep conditioners without my hair being wet for the most part. So now I'm just going to part it into sections. I normally do about 2 to 4 sections, probably 4 to be safe. Re-wetting again because my hair dries super fast, which is really annoying, but it's easier doing it in the shower versus not. So I'm just twisting my sections now, keeping the hair out of the way while I focus on one section. Here's the deep conditioner. It's the Cocoa Butter Deep Conditioner. The consistency is not bad. I like it. It is a thicker consistency, but not something that is heavy. You can see that I'm applying it all over to smaller sections and then detangling with my brush, making sure that my sections stay moisturized. Look at that slip of that deep conditioner, guys. That is amazing. I barely detangled with it. What I'm doing now is twisting my hair into smaller twists to maximize the moisture and to lock in that moisture from the deep conditioner. Once I finish my twist, I move on to smaller sections, of course. I always apply my products starting at the root and moving to the end. I don't know why I do that, but it works best for me. And when I twist, my twists are a little funky, but they turn out really well. I counter twist and then twist, if that makes sense. It has always worked well, but I just do small sections at a time, making sure that I always keep my hair wet to avoid that breakage, because I mentioned earlier my hair dries super quick. So while I'm doing one section, another section is like bone dry the next minute. So it's always important to keep it hydrated and keep it clipped away. And again, I'm just now applying it root to tip. You can see how effortlessly I am detangling my hair and able to twist it. As I'm finishing my last little section, I add a little bit more up top, and then I just double check to make sure. Oh, I actually forgot a strand, so I'm just going to add that one in to the other one, twist it at the very bottom, and then once everything is nice and neat, I add my shower cap up top, keep it on for about 30 minutes or so. Now that my hair has deep conditioned for about 30 minutes, I am taking my twists down one at a time, just making sure that my hair has sufficiently deep conditioned and feels hydrated and healthy. You can really see how shiny my hair is and how easily I'm able to run my fingers through.
Before I rinse this out, I want to talk about this deep conditioner. I mean, my hair looks like it has styling product in it. It looks moisturized, it feels moisturized, it's shiny, it's bouncy. I don't even want to rinse this out. I mean, this deep conditioner really works some magic. I only left it on for about 15 to 20 minutes or so, and it's already like doing work. My hair was so dry beforehand, and now, wow. I mean, I was not expecting this. I'm so glad that I'm trying this. Usually I leave my deep conditioners on for about 30 to 45, sometimes to an hour, depending on what I'm doing. This deep conditioner has so much slip. It really felt great, and my hair feels just amazing afterwards. So I just want to read you guys some of the ingredients. I'm going to try my best. There's distilled water, cocoa butter, baobab oil, moringa oil, rice bran oil, petroleum hydrolyzed silk, protein, guar gum, Opwithin Plus, as well as a fragrance. I really like these ingredients. They are natural. This product is like handmade. The owner is super, super sweet. I love her. She's the nicest person I've ever met. Very, very sweet lady. I just really like how much slip this gave, and that I was able to detangle with this conditioner as well. I want to back up a little bit also and talk about the first thing that I used, the Castile soap shampoo. I like this shampoo. She also has a black soap shampoo. That's one of my favorites. This one is new to me. The ingredients are also very natural. I like this shampoo. I do feel that it leaves kind of like a tiny coat on my hair, but I think that's just the Castile soap, a little bit of a residue on that. It rinses out pretty well as long as you are thorough with this. The second thing that I used was the herbal ACV rinse, which was nice. I am not a fan of the smell of vinegar, although this one wasn't too terrible for me, so I was able to tolerate it. I like this. My scalp felt refreshed afterwards, and it also just kind of got rid of the nasty things that were clogging up my scalp as well as my hair. And I mean, once you shake it up vigorously like I did in the shower, everything mixes together and you're good to start treating your scalp with that. So now I'm going to just rinse this deep conditioner out of my hair and then style like normal.
So this is my hair with the deep conditioner rinsed out. You can see how defined my curls are without any styling products in it. And I think that is just really great. It feels soft, it smells great, and I am now ready to style.
Thank you for stopping by my channel. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial of my little wash day today. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell, because I'm going to be posting videos weekly for you guys. So don't forget to subscribe and check all my content out.